Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Catherine and welcome if you are new. I film language and travel content on this channel, and yeah, there will be a lot more travel content in the future because hopefully we are getting out of COVID and we can travel a lot more. So today I actually have a new study plan for you guys. And I was really inspired by Anna Lenks to create this study plan, and I'm gonna use her Notion template to do it. And yeah, we are gonna get into it in just a few seconds. But since it's April 1st and a new quarter has started, I have created some goals in my language bullet journal. And yeah, today I don't feel like filming and getting ready and like sitting down and just talking to a camera, but I'm gonna do it. It's actually the day before my birthday. I am turning 25 tomorrow, and on one hand I'm really excited, and on the other there's a lot of emotions today. I don't feel really well emotionally thanks to some of my relatives, but yeah, we're not gonna get deep into that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's go to Notion and create a study plan. As I said, I'm going to be creating this study plan in Notion using Anna Lenks' template, and I'm going to leave her video down below so you can get it. And yeah, basically there are plan for the week, daily log, journal entries. I don't need this, so we're going to just delete it. And then goals, and then there are just different things. So let's go down, and there are just a lot of different questions that she has, and yeah, let's just answer them. What languages do you want to learn? It's I'm just gonna write down other languages that I'm really interested in as well. Not saying that I'm gonna learn them anytime soon, but maybe one day, I don't know. Yeah, those are the ones that I am really interested in right now. Maybe there are more, I haven't really thought of it. So yeah, my priorities are Italian, Spanish, Lithuanian, and German. How much time are you ready to dedicate to language learning? With my lifestyle right now, I would say 8 to 10 hours. Right, so um, 30, this would be 20, and this would be 10. So as you can see, sum is 100, so it means that I should be spending 240 minutes on Italian, 180 minutes on Spanish, 120 minutes on Lithuanian, and 60 minutes on German, and then writing down all of your resources. So I'm just gonna like speed this because otherwise it's gonna just take a billion minutes. And yeah, you just have to write like the resource and the language. So Italian. Right, so I don't have any research for speaking right now, but with speaking, I'm probably only gonna like turn on the camera and speak. So let's make a language timetable. And so I am going to be creating this timetable using my tier system that I created some time ago, but it hasn't been working really well, and I'm gonna try and be really realistic with my timetable. And
This is just the idea, and I'm gonna try using like studying languages based on this plan, but really I'm just gonna be realistic. And yeah, actually to create this timetable we can use this time distribution, that table that we created before. So based on my tier system and based on my priorities, I really want to study Italian every single day, so we're just gonna write that. And so I really want to study Italian for 4 hours, and yeah, we're just gonna open the calculator to see how much I need to do that. And that is 240 minutes divided by 7. But I think some days I can do more, some days I can do less, but 240 divided by 7 is 35 minutes. But some days I can't really do, I can't really do 35 minutes. So here I'm just gonna have 1 hour. No, maybe it's like here gonna have 1 hour, and on Sundays I'm gonna try and have 1 hour. And so for the rest of the 5 days I'm gonna have like 2 hours. So 120 divided by 5 would be 24 minutes. So yeah, let's say like 25 minutes every single day. That is like okay, because I can watch YouTube videos or listen to music, and that is totally okay. And if I don't do Italian some days, then I can just do a little bit more other days. And so yeah, based on my tier system, there was also Lithuanian on Mondays, but Mondays are pretty rough, so I'm just gonna have Spanish. I should study for 3 hours, so I should do maybe 1 hour of Spanish as well. And so yeah, that's it for Saturdays. And then for Sundays it's gonna be German for 30 minutes, and on Tuesdays, because when I cook breakfast or lunch before work, I can do something with German. Yeah, and then Spanish, I have 1 hour for Spanish here, and then I need 2 more hours for Spanish. So I can do Spanish 1 hour here, and then I can also do Spanish on Fridays. I will try 1 hour. And then we have Lithuanian left. So for Lithuanian, it's 2 hours. So I can do like maybe like Lithuanian. I'm gonna divide that into like 40-minute things, and then here for 40 minutes, and then let's do like Sundays. But again, if I watch a movie in Lithuanian in one day, then I can, skip some other days. We will see. So now we can copy this. Yeah, let's copy this into, I don't know why I can't copy this. Copy into the plan for the week into here. Yeah, and so here is weekly checklist. I don't really want to have like a ton of checklists and a ton of like, okay, on Mondays you have to watch a movie, or video in Italian, and then on Tuesdays you need to do easy German and then like do textbooks. I just don't want that. I want everything to be very flexible. So I think we're gonna leave this at that. open the goals section, and I'm just gonna write down the 3-month goals right now, because this is what we are here for, right? For each language. And I think this was German. Oh, I don't know, what did I do? Yeah, I think this was orange was German, and this color was Lithuanian. So for Italian, I don't have too many goals, actually. What I mean by 3 easy German videos is not only watch 3 easy German videos, but like get the vocabulary out and study the vocabulary, and like really get to know 3 of those videos. And yeah, I don't know how that's gonna go, but I really want to do that. And then Lithuanian is
Right, so that is my study plan. I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually forgot to mention that I really want to do 50 hours in 30 days challenge in April as well, because I lacked in language learning in March, like at horrible. It was horrible. I only studied for 6 hours, and I just want to change that. And yeah, that is what I'm gonna be doing. And as I said, I'm gonna leave a link to Anna Lanx's video down below for you guys. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!